My name is Nikola, and I am a Moodle key user at the University of Applied Science in Vienna, and also the team lead for Moodle support team. First of all, I have to thank my colleague Selma for creating those slides and also the course that I'm talking about later. She couldn't be here, but if you have any question about the ideas, feel free to contact. So on today's agenda, I'm going to talk about didactic aspects of the gamification, also show you a few examples, how you can do this in Moodle, which activities you can use, and also we have created a course named Lost in Space. And in this course, we set up like the whole new system, thanks for the IT at the university. We set up the whole new system where you can register and do the course as a learner. And also there is a presentation there where you can download it. I'll show you quick at the end of the course. So yeah, what is gamification? A lot of you maybe know, maybe not, but just a quick. The gamification means use of game elements in non-game context. People should be part of that and of the setting and be motivated. Also, it's important to promote learning through playful means, and what you can do, you can collect points, badges, and also you can use the leaderboards and level systems and so on. What are the advantages of the gamification? You can set the achievable goals with entertaining game experiences. Students can feel more involved and engaged in everything and responsible. And also there are at the end some rewards for them. We also created like step-by-step guide that you can use when you create your gamification course. I'm going to go through that. Of course, you don't have to use everything from the guide, but it's like to help you. At first of all, you have to define the learning objectives. What do you want to succeed, and select of gamification elements. Of course, the storytelling and scenarios are important. And also, which gamified elements would you like to use, assessments would you like to use in your course? Progress tracking from the progress is also a very important thing, and it could be great if you use it. And of course, collaborative challenges. At the end, when something is done, you can give the badges or certificates. And of course, it's possible in Moodle to have a leaderboards for some healthy competition in the course. You can give the feedback to the students, and also that can lead to the improvements. And yeah, there's like steps and what you could do, but how to do this in the Moodle. First of all, let's talk about leaderboards. Why leaderboards? Because they can promote healthy competition. They can show the participants' ranking, and also you can do this anonymously. So you can show like top 3 of the students in your course, and that's for the motivation for the students. And some activities, maybe you know, it's a plugin, but student quiz already include a leaderboard feature. What you also can do is you can use completion tracking in Moodle. A lot of you know about that, but quick steps to do that. At first of all, you need to create your activities and elements that you want to have in your course. And also they should be in a logical order. Next step would be to activate activity completion and choose appropriate criteria for your scenario. And of course, the last step would be to do the restrictions between the elements, so they will be step-by-step unlocked in the Moodle through the course. When you already set up the completions and activities, you can use the level systems in Moodle. What that means, you can make the topics as levels in your course, and it is good for the participants, so when they progress through the levels, they can unlock them and then go through the course. Of course, you can play with language in the course and terms. It must not Moodle default be at the end. You can add your own terms, like you can transfer review quizzes to revival potions, and potions become ingredients and so on. And also you can choose your own language. For example, you have a programming course and you can say, okay, the students are the hackers in the course and they need to hack the code in order to get some reward. So you can really create a whole new world in the course. That's one idea from many that we have at the university. Some more helpful ideas that you can use in Moodle, of course, H5P. There was a lot of topics on those days regarding H5P. For interactive and fun activities, of course. And also in our course, we have used H5P a lot. You will see that. For the crosswords, flashcards, memory games, and so on. Countdown, also interesting thing because you can motivate students when they are in urgency. You can motivate them to focus and be on time and then be effectively and use the time effectively. Also Easter eggs as a idea you can hide in the course. Some content, and this content will be unlocked when the tasks are done. We have this. We have on our university like welcome days, and the new students. We have like Easter eggs in the course, in welcome course, and when they find it, then they can get some rewards. Also, using storytelling is important because requires students to unlock new parts of the story as they progress in the course, and that connect them to the material and sense of ongoing discovery. Also, you can use the missions. The missions are also important or interesting because each level can be a new mission, and you need to complete this mission in order to go to the next one. You can use the avatars, profiles, of course, to personalize the learning experience. And what's important is to share the knowledge. Some collaborative learning environment to create in order to students can discuss and help each other. There is like a short, quick guide. Consider the learning objectives that students should achieve by the end of the course. Which learning content would you like to have? Use level design so your students can gain or lose the levels, depends based on the number of attempts, for example, in self-check. Display the progress, introduce create a world around the content, introduce items like virtual coins, for example, so that users can spend at the end the coins that they saved up. And you can also engage students more deeply in the course through exciting discussions. What activities you can use in the Moodle? There are some core activities like wiki or forum or workshop, but also like you can use H5P or H5P or checklist. There are a lot of options. Depends really what would you like to have and what would you like to achieve in the course. We created one course and set up really the system. You can feel free to register it. We will shut down the system in a few months. It's email-based registration, pretty simple for Moodle. And just quick to show you the course, how it looks like, and what we done here. You're like that's Moodle. There is only one course in this system, and you're like an astronaut, and you're lost in space. And what do you need to do? You're on mission, and you have unexpected obstacles. And what you have to do, so we created the course with H5P, with generic elements, and so on. So you have the intros, you have your learning objective assessments, and also, for example, so I'm going to open it. It's like the intro, you crashed into unknown. I don't know why it's not on. It's working. It's like H5P, for example. And you have the levels. I don't want to spoil, but you have the levels. You have a more final chapter, bonus chapter. You have the coins. We have always created self-study phase where you can learn something, and then you have a mission phase where you have assessment to do in order to unlock the next level. That's the example how you can use the gamification. And at the end of the course, you can find the content the content, you can find the presentation of today, and also the colleague of mine wrote how she created all the texts and the pictures, because it's all AI and gives in Canva. Yeah, back to the presentation. Actually, that's all. I'm in time, I think so. Thank you very much for the attention. If you have any question, feel free now or write us an email. And yeah, have a nice day. Thank you.
Do we have any questions?
Yes. All of these features are included in Moodle, or they are like plugins, or
All videos?
the features, the functionalities are included in Moodle, and also in Moodle Workplace?
No, that's Moodle LMS, normal Moodle. Yeah.
So Workplace?
I think so. That's like basics with activity completions and so on. Yeah, it's in Workplace too. Yeah.
Thanks.